Hey everyone, good morning. I am back again with yet another story. Today's story is of a old man who was lying on his deathbed and his son by his side. Now the father offers a box to his son and asks him to open up. So the son opens up the box and to his surprise there is an old watch lying in the box. So the father says, "My son, this watch belonged to my grandfather. He passed it on to my dad passed it on to me, and now I am offering this watch to you. It's a family lineage, it's very precious. But before I offer this watch to you, I just want you to do me one favor. Can you check with the nearest jeweler in the town and tell him that I want to sell this watch? How much is it worth? What would you offer for this watch? Just find out. How much is the jeweler ready to pay for this watch? This is my last wish." Now, the son did not want to refuse his father, so he rushed to the nearest jeweler and returned back saying that the jeweler says they're ready to pay $100 for this watch. The father says, "One more. Can you just try with the nearest pawn shop and tell me what are they offering?" So again, the son tries to approach a pawn shop and he returns back saying that they aren't very happy with this one. They are barely ready to offer a $20 for this watch. They say it has a scratch on the top, it's very old, so they're ready to offer a $20. That's it. The father says, "Just one last time. Can you approach the museum in our town?" Now the son is unwilling. He is pretty confused, but he does not want to deny and refuse the old man. So this time he approaches the museum and he returns back with a smile on his face because, to his surprise, the curator of the museum offered him $37,500 for the watch. He said, "Dad, this watch is worth $37,500. The curator of the museum says it is very precious, it's an antique, it is 200 years old. We would love to have it in our collection." And this is what they've offered. As soon as the son replied, the father smiled and said, "My son, this is what I want you to understand in life. You need to approach the right people and the right place who will value your worth. Don't get angry, don't get disappointed when you are not valued, when you're not appreciated. You need to approach the right people who know your worth." Many a times in life, we settle for more because we agree upon the label, the price that people determine. We should know our own value. We need to learn how to value ourselves. Only then can we have a happy life. Only then can we lead a life that we love and not grudge and complain. So, this is a very insightful message that was given by the old man to his son. And I'm sure all of us would resonate with this message because nobody knows our value better than us. So, why settle for less? Let's not allow people to label us, to prize us. Let's not be people pleasers. Let's not offer discounts on what we are worth. So, let's understand our self value and demand the same. That is the difference between people who love the life they live and the ones who crib and complain about the life they're living. That's all from my end today, and thank you so much. Just remember, you are worth much, much more. Bye bye.